It's Gypsy Man, and we're back with the Glock 47. And today we are going to put the correct recoil spring in for this gun. And we'll talk a little bit while we're doing it. But I want to thank October 28 for saying what I was thinking. I was already in the mix with ordering the correct parts, but he definitely put it out there, and I want to thank him for it, for being vigilant and noticing. And it's all about community, right? Especially when you doing something for the first time. But it didn't go unnoticed, so let's go ahead and make a quick, simple video of changing this spring, and just like that. So as you can see, it comes with the 19 spring, so we're replacing it with a 19 size spring. It is not the regular 1734 spring, although it would have worked. It definitely would have worked, but the difference is I'm getting a lighter spring, the red spring, and this is stock 18 pound spring. When I put this one in, it still felt like 18, so I was like, still can't be right when I was putting it in. And this one is a 15 pound spring. So we're back to where we need to be. We're just gonna put this in real quick and complete the video. But again, thank you to October 28 for noticing that. And we will just get that put in there. I can already feel the difference. And we're right back in action. And you notice it doesn't look incorrect when you look down into the barrel. Well, you're looking in the barrel. I don't look in barrels. I don't care if the guns are safe. You just want to stay in good habits, safety habits. But feels better. Safety check. Function check. We are good. So, rest assured that we have the correct spring in there now, and we no longer have to worry about not noticing the differences in the spring rate. Even though it would have worked, we want to have the right size guy rod in there. All right, so Gypsy Man, and I'm out.